Alright, kind of how we're going about this here. These are these connectors. I kind of tore them apart in steps here. But first thing you're going to do is these little tabs here lift up. This one here is about broke. You can see it. You might want to set these out in the sun and get them warm. You can also come in on the back side with the screwdriver and push into this groove. If I can get to, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Sometimes that'll lift these up. If you have a skinny enough screwdriver, it'll lift this little tab up. Most of the time I just jam down in here, but you got to get all four of these open. Like I said, this one here broke. I'll just finish her off here. That's what's underneath there. One of them. These lift up. They'll break. I mean, you end up zip tying this thing back together. That's why they put the tape on it, I think. Once you get that off, this will pull down out. And then you got this thing. And this little guy right here. See how he's pushed in. And he's open over here. You're going to want to pull him out. To there. And then what you're going to do is come down here on either side of this and pry in and down